What is my hair right now? Like, talk about fluff, right? Hi guys. I know I'm popping in again with a full face of makeup on just to say hi. Hi. I like hanging out with you. Do you like hanging out with me? You're gonna do me a favor. If you like hanging out with me as much as I like hanging out with you and you want to keep hanging out together, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button in the little corner. It's like a red one. It says it right there. It says subscribe. And then if you hit the bell next to it too, you'll be notified when I upload, and then we can hang out together all the time. Yeah. So if you wouldn't mind, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll shut up now and you can figure out how I did this look. Thanks. Enjoy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Trying to stay with it and keeping in the groove of things. I know I did not post a Manic Monday, but they will be coming. I'm working on it. They're gonna come back. I promise they're gonna come back. I really like doing the Manic Mondays, so they're coming. Ooh, today I have an iced tea instead of coffee. What are we doing today? I have no idea. Not one clue. I just wanted to sit down and say hi because I missed you guys, and hubby came home early today, and he was like, go do your makeup, go have some mummy time. So I was like, I feel guilty, but I'm gonna force myself to sit down and do it anyways because I like makeup, and he's home, so the kids are okay. Yeah, so anyways, how are you? What are you guys doing? I did my nails last night. They're just glue on, but they're the like French tip ones. They look pretty. Would you guys be interested in a updated nightly skincare routine? I have changed a couple of my things. So if you're interested in that, let me know and I can do an updated routine. I am going to use some eye cream. I am going to do a vitamin C booster in my cream today. I don't know why, just sounded like a good idea. The vitamin C booster that I'm using is like super sticky. Do you see that? I kind of like it underneath foundation. It like grips. Oh, so my ring light broke again, my like filming tripod ring light. So if you're watching this and you also film, or you do YouTube, or you do something where you use a ring light, which ring light do you use? Because this is my second one that has died like super fast and I'm over it. I want one that's gonna last because I like this too much. Oh, I didn't prime. I just did skin. Okay, so for primer then, I'm going to use the Professional Hydrate Primer. And I'm going to use the Spotlight from Physicians Formula. Ooh, I'm almost out. I need to get more of this. Shit. Damn it. What the heck? There we go. That's enough. I got like a couple of teeny tiny little pump squirts. You know. Okay. So where is that? No, this is the Revlon Candid in the shade 150 Creme Brulee. I forgot how much I like this foundation. I haven't had like, the one that I've been using is real expired, so it was breaking me out. And I was like, oh, my favorite foundation's starting to break me out. Maybe it's like my skin. No, Cora, maybe it's just because it was expired. This is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant, and it's a little yellow for me. But I really like the coverage and the fact that the yellow kind of covers up the blueness of my eyes, of like the dark circles. And then I use a little bit of this Wet n Wild concealer for the other. And in case you were wondering or forget what I'm using on my face, I will list and link everything in the description box below. I'm looking at my shirt in the mirror and I can't tell if it's the tie-dye or if it's stained. I'm gonna roll with it though. I'm going to use, ow, I just pinched myself. I'm gonna use my number 7 Lift and Illuminate powder. It's my favorite. I used the back of it during Halloween for glitter glue, like eye primer, to glue a third eye onto my forehead for my Halloween costume. I was a witch. I will insert picture of me in Halloween costume here. I know, isn't it cute? I loved it. Best costume yet. Created it myself. Then I'm going to take my other powder because I'm high maintenance and I use 2 of them. This is the Age Perfect Creamy Powder Foundation in the number 300 Ivory. I'm just going to do the rest of my face. Okay, I'm gonna set my face with the Miracle Mist from Tarte. I'm gonna use this Tarte Pro Glow kit for my contour bronzer thing. I'm gonna use this side of the palette down here. I'm gonna use this powder for my bronzer. And then I'm gonna use one of these 2 for my highlight. I think for my blush, I want to use Cabana Boy from my In the Balm of Your Hand palette. So I'm just going to do those 3 quickly and speed through me doing them so that you get to watch and not hear me just ramble on about nothing. Okay, so there's my bronzer. For blush, do Cabana Boy. Blend those together. So from the Pro Glow palette, I'm gonna mix Strobe and Stunner here. Just all right. So there is my face done. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with the Essence and Ulta Beauty Girls United palette. It's a really pretty palette. I got it for my birthday, and I really like the like diversity on this palette. And there is a little mirror inside, and it does look like they are like pans that you can just like flip out and replace if you want to. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I am going to create a nice warm kind of fall look. Yeah. Just cleaned off that brush. So I'm going to go into Natural Beat and buff that everywhere. Lay that down. Now I'm going to go into High Key. It's this like orangey one in the middle here. And I'm going to buff that into the crease in the transition. I'm going to take a little bit of a smaller brush and I'm going to go into this red shade here at the bottom called On Point. And I'm going to deepen up that outer V. Just taking the Natural Beat and blending it all together. So now with, there's that teeny tiny brush that I like. Ooh. So now with this teeny tiny brush that I have, I am going to take On Point and I'm going to run it on the outer half of the underlash. On the outer half of the underlash. I mean, I guess that's one way to say it. That's weird English, but okay. Okay. And then I'm going to brush that brush off. And I'm going to go into High Key, which is that orange shade, and I'm going to do the other half of the underlash. There. Then I'm going to take this super pretty shade called Snatched, and I'm going to place that on the lid. That's pretty. And I'm just using my fingers that. It's like a rose gold almost. That's so pretty. I'm so happy with my look right now. And I just took that pencil brush that I used with the High Key underneath the eyes, and I first blended that little harsh line and then dipped it in Snatched to the inner corner. And there's that. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go do my liners, my lashes, and my brows, and I'll be right back and we'll do the lips. For a liner, I'm just going in with black. Okay, so there is the liners and lashes, liner and lashes done. Brows are on. I wiped off the foundation lip. We're gonna go in with the Super Stay Matte Ink with Maybelline in Caramel Collector. It smells so good. Magnifier. Oh, you know what this smells like? Butter shots. It smells exactly like butter shots. If you don't know what butter shots are, you are too young to be watching my channel. That looks really good with this. Okay. Gotta get it off the lip ring. And then I'm going to go on top with this Ofra lip gloss in Natural. It's like a peachy nude with like this glimmer of orange. There, and then you have the complete look. What do you think? Do you like it? Would you create this look? If you recreate this look, tag me in it on Instagram because I want to see. I think it's a really pretty fall look. Like if you're just hanging out at home and doing nothing, like me, teaching the kids, homeschooling, doing nothing. I don't know. That's my life. I'm gonna go do 5 loads of laundry now. Yeah. I'm such a dork. I know. All right. I'm leaving for real this time. Yeah. Thanks, guys. I know I already asked you to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. But if you're still here, if you're still watching me ramble to myself, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Clearly you want to because you're still watching me talk. So, yeah. Until next time. Bye.